Catholicism, Buddhism, Islam. Almost, almost every major religion. What?
Well, it looks like it's raining.
The dew is coming down off the trees.
Oh, so it's really raining?
No, the dew is coming down.
Oh.
Okay, water condenses on the leaves at night. Water condenses on the leaves at night, and when it starts to heat up, the water that doesn't
goes
evaporate
down.
starts coming down.
Mom, we learned this in grade 4.
I thought water is going up instead of going down.
If the drops are heavy enough, then we'll have to. Gravity works on everything.
Water goes up if ano, evaporate. I think it's evaporation. When it's very hot, mama, and the water, or sometimes the water goes up.
Yeah.
And forming to a slide, so it's very heavy, still raining. I thought to buy the signal, or you're not listening.
I am listening. I was just wondering. Oh, the trees are probably shaking. Trees are shaking.
I was listening for a lot of years.
How old were you?
I was in my 20s. Well, when you're in a big city, you run into a lot of different people. And I like to talk. I used to be a politician, so I met a lot of people.
So you were like, who's the guy, mama, that is Islam? That, ano, Muhammad thing.
Malcolm X.
Malcolm X.
Malcolm, yeah. Malcolm X. Look, there goes a chipmunk.
It'd be like,
Quiet pala. Chipmunks. Okay, run. Okay, so you're too loud.
I was out here last time. I'm running.
Just get it off.
that's the point. That thing is,
Careful.
oh my gosh.
It's probably meant to be there.
Oh gosh, my foot. Do not sit or stand on me.
We're going to go around this way and then make our way back.
I'll go back. There's like a listening area there where you can hear the birds. We went there last time.
Oh, he died. Poor guy just now. I mean, January. Did he die?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it says in memorial.
1956.
Much older than you, Papa.
Maybe.
No, it's
56.
1956
So he's
images.
much older than Papa, eh?
It's very young.
No, old.
Nana is 1956.
Old.
Oh, yeah.
See? Oh my gosh. Nana
It's
is
not
much
nearly
older.
70 because the birthday is April.
The birth. Nana is much older than Papa. So technically that guy is older than Papa. 56, Papa is 67.
Quiet pala kasi we can hear the
I
birds.
don't like it. Ano, ano yung mo ka na? Ooh, shiny. Ooh, do you see that now? That's
You want to go back to the car this way?
Oh, that's way up. Why? You want to do it?
No.
I'm just concerned of you.
Mama.
You work 12 hours.
Mama.
We're going to stay flat.
We're just going to do that.
Yeah,
on
we're going to stay flat.
Friday.
I was messing with her.
Woman.
Okay.
Woman.
What do you mean, woman? No, that's how you know the age of the tree, based on that one.
No, she's looking at the markings on the tree. She says it looks like a woman to her.
The, no, the green thing.
Ah,
Like
okay.
standing, oh, the head.
Okay.
Imagine that art.
Tabi. Oh, we forgot to bring
Tabi-tabi.
ginger.
Oh, yeah, ginger. Yeah. Do you have a rosary?
Yeah.
I don't have
You
any.
have better vision than we do.
I don't have any rosary.
Listen to the birds.
Ano eh, they can come again. We have birds in the backyard.
Oh, look at what is.
It's like we got birds in the backyard. I'm sick of birds.
Look at the squirrel. It's way up.
Where is it?
It's there
Ma, I'm blind. Where is it?
on the tree.
Yeah, I don't like to look up. That's how you get poop in your eye.
Oh,
Can't see.
You get an eyeglasses. It'll drop
My
into your
eyes.
eyeglasses. Not into your eyes.
Yeah, but it can drop in here and
Keep walking. That's what you do.
I thought that's the title of a movie, Don't Look Up.
It is. It's a good movie too.
Ooh, you see?
oh, mama.
That's probably there's a hole in
Mama.
there.
Mama, I have to tell you something.
Oh, wait, wala kasi, what?
Ay, shut up. Mama.
What? Tell me something.
What is that? Are you looking?
The squirrel on top of the tree.
There's no squirrel.
There is.
Oh, there
It's
is.
digging something on top.
Are you digging for food or are you digging for something else?
It's digging for house.
You know why my knee was hurting?
Why?
Because we walked 3 miles. I didn't realize.
Last time? Ooh. Oh, that's a very tiny bird.
What?
See?
Where?
There, in the small tree.
Very tiny.
Oh, yeah.
Is
I
that?
see him now.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
I think he's a robin.
Robin.
It's a baby robin.